The team building, that was great.
It helped me understand roles within a team.
Really enjoyable post, exercises and how it came across.
They deliver. It's as simple as that.
Summit is a UK-based organisation now with a branch in the Kingdom of Bahrain that supports organisations and business leaders to develop their leadership, management and team effectiveness.
Well, let's put it brutally. There's an awful lot of training companies out there that promise a lot and don't deliver. And I got the distinct sense with Scott is actually that he might just deliver, and that would make a real difference.
Do you want managers who are actually responsible and happy to take personal ownership for their personal performance and that of their team?
Digital City uses Summit in two different ways. One, we use them internally to develop our own teams. We also use Summit in something called the Business Growth Workshop system here. And that's a system that takes startup companies through a very comprehensive training system about how you set up a company and how you set that company up to be great from day one.
Are you wanting more trusting relationships where tough conversations can be had, dealt with, and then moved on from without any ill feeling or bad thoughts about it?
A lot of people ignore things like team building and personal development, and we've put them right at the core of what we're doing here. So Summit are very, very involved in that.
Are you wanting people to keep their commitments more, less firefighting? Are you wanting more efficient, speedy, responsive customer service teams or a sales team that is actually helping people want to buy rather than trying to sell? Are those the kinds of things you would really want?
It's just how practical the advice is. This isn't theoretical. It's not the kind of lovey-dovey stuff and everybody feels fine afterwards. Well, they do feel fine, but there are real tools and there is a real steel behind what's done. Scott absolutely understands that things need to change or things need to develop.
People are so concerned about their reputations, and this isn't just leaders at the top of an organisation. It could be a team leader that has 10 people, it could be a manager that has 100 people. What I invite people to do is look at character. You have one character, you own it, you're responsible for it, and you're responsible for developing it. And this, in my book, is character-based leadership. I am willing to trust, I am willing to be trustworthy. It's that deeply human part of a relationship that is often not just missing, but not identified as so crucial to delivering more value more quickly and with less rework and less firefighting in an organisation. And it helps people choose a training partner that has the integrity and also the technical competence where they can achieve something wonderful together.
Look at his list of clients. They're big companies. They don't muck around. You're a business leader, you need a training partner, you need a development partner, you're unsure, well, do what you do with anything. Go out, find out about the good ones, the bad ones, get the recommendations, and then start to talk to the person. Try them out, trust but verify. Or alternatively, I suppose you could just hire Summit.